Hi, this is Karen. I have a story for you. A lost employee of Pacific Bell drives on a country road. As he goes over a huge bump, a single telephone falls out and lands in the swampy ground. Time passes, and the phone becomes a haven for living things. Bugs, toadstools, and even a frog. Frog considers this his phone home. Seriously, I hope you like my crazy sculpture. It's made with a real telephone and a lot of sculpted miniature pieces using epoxy sculpt. Then layers and layers of paint. I covered everything in clear resin. Thanks for watching.